what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Actually, welcome to, because this is my first video. And we are. Please subscribe, I guess. I mean, subscribing would be nice, but you don't have to. Also, this is my first video, so please no hate. We're playing Jailbreak, because why not? I mean, really, why not? Why am I following him? I want to escape. You have to fill your tummies first. Yum, yum, yum. Yuck. Okay, bye. Hide behind the door, that's all you need to do in these games, really. And that's the smart thing in the world. I'm new to this game, so don't know how to escape. Please comment if you do. I was told that you could go that way, but there are some other ways. Where's the guns? I think I can try to go this way. Is this sewer water? That's disgusting. I'm going to clean my feet after. Someone did a lot of swearing, or they just feel like typing hashtag. You can hear someone punching it, I think. Oh, come on. I don't think you can go that. Ooh, I escaped, that's nice. Yay! Okay, let's go up here. If I can. Hello, ladder. Oh, bad ladder. Good ladder. Should there be a car there? I heard that there should be a car there. What's this way? Oh, that's easier. Wait, let me... Okay, I'm just getting to the right view. Yeah, that there. I want a car. Ooh, car. Please don't arrest me. Because that's what you do, right? Oh, he's a bad guy. Woohoo! I did not know that you could do that, but yeah. That's cool. Oh, flip. I can't move. Stop. Oh, better. I heard that there was like a jewelry store or something. And I'm gonna try to rob that. Speed! You think I'm gonna need to pay for that? Oh, flip. No, buy car, you're boring. Though I like cars because they're speedy. Oh wow, that was really close.
Oh, Preston, there's water all over the floor.
Don't know how to break in, because I think that's what you need to do. Otherwise, I don't know. What else would you do? Get a key card and be happy. Oh, it's here. I feel dumb. And I feel like you need a punch. Yeah. Well, you just need to like, huh? I'm clueless, but I'm just gonna crawl to. You can jump while crawling in this? What? How's that possible? I swear I saw people just going straight into it. And then it breaking. Ha! Well, that's annoying. Let's just punch it. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe I need to wait loud. Maybe I need to wait until it's open. That's boring. Where's my car? I want my car. Can I borrow yours, sir? Whoever you are? Oh no, that's too much expensive. I only have like $2.50. I think my car's this way. Otherwise, I don't really know what to do. There's a museum? Ooh, that makes sense. I'm a noob to this game, as you expected. Kinda... Aren't there police in this game too? Wait, let me in. Actually no, don't! Ah! You're mean. How has she not got to me yet? This is actually funny. Oh, come on, that's poop. Can I move? No, that's boring. Let me out. Yeah, just gonna sit and read my imaginary book. Very interesting. Let me go! Yay! This way. Yay! Upstairs. Where are the top criminals? Whoa, that's a big bounty. I might try a different way to escape, like this way. I think you can escape this way. I want to explode. Well, not myself. I just want to explode the wall. Because I can get out. Ha! Hello, wall. Can I go, please? Wait, do you have to stand here? Mythos games. Huh. Oh! That's a strange wall! The cars are over there, so I'm gonna get a car. I'll be happy. Then I'm gonna drop. Oh, come on, it's night. I don't wanna go to bed, mommy. Yeah! Wait, it only counts that you. It only says you escaped when you're there. Here? That's rude. What happens if you die and you escaped? How? Let me in. Yeah. I don't have to drive. But I do have to witness a kind of noob. I'm gonna call it noob. Although I am a noob too. Drive us somewhere. Ah, it's raining. Use the rocket boosters. Don't think he even knows that they exist. Oh, your poop. Bye bye. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna go to the museum. Whoa, that's... You just bumped into my killer. But I actually bumped into his car, but yeah. Oh, flip. No, you won't kill me. No, I kinda wanna see what happens when you die and you escape. Escape. Yo. I want a helicopter. No, I wanna drive. Ooh, yeah. You can't drive this. I want to hijack. Yeah, I want to hijack. Is this illegal? Wait, where is it? Ah, that was gonna be mine. I know, noob, you are. Yo. Ah. Let me go to the museum. Yo. How is it so hard just to get to a museum? I'm going backwards. Do you think this is why I was arrested? Yo. I'm pretty good at driving backwards. Woo! Okay, now I'm gonna turn around. I see the museum. No. Speed! Oof. Oh, I don't have that much monies. I only have 250. That's quite a lot for a noob. Not saying I'm a noob, actually I am. What's a jewelry store? Is that the thing I was trying to break into? Okay, let's go! I also figured out how to run and shift. Oh, it says there. I'm an idiot. Please don't comment, idiot. So please don't. If anyone has bad hearing. On top of the wall. What am I thinking about? Yes, please. Do I have to spell this one too? Oh, come on. That's annoying. Yeah. Oh, come on! I thought he was on my team. I'm an idiot. Yet again, please don't comment. Hello. Wait, why don't it disappear there? Where? Oh, I think that means criminals. Why do I keep on wanting to say that so wrong? I think that's only people who have escaped. If you want me to do more Roblox videos, I will. Just comment and like. Maybe subscribe, that'd be nice. And if you want me to do some Minecraft videos, comment as well. I want to try one last way to escape. I heard well, I'm gonna punch you. Oi! Oi! Oh, dude, there's a police there. Hello. Will this kill me? Ow. Okay, yes. Open gates. Oh, wow. Yay. My magic. Oh, flip. Oh, come on. And that's where I'm going to have to end the video. So, see you guys next time. Bye!